Welcome to day 4 of our Aussie Outback adventure.
First hike of the day, and this is the sign they have up there.
Saltwater, what did it say? Very low risk of crocodiles, but that doesn't say there's none.
Yeah. So they set traps all around the area, so it's pretty well monitored, but they have removed crocodiles from this swimming hole. We kind of got to move it because we don't have too long. So, first hike of the trip. And this is that swimming area.
Whoa. Yeah, I don't think I would swim in that. Like, I wouldn't be, like,
I know it looks pretty swampy.
Right? This is way better than being back home,
Yeah.
working a 9 to 5.
Oh my god. Alright. Wish us luck on our first hike.
Wow. Beautiful.
It's like 1,000,000 degrees out, and it's like 8:30.
Apple is like 10 feet up. Alrighty.
We're getting there. Hey guys, we made it! Rocks are a little bit slippery, so gotta watch your step.
Wouldn't want to get too close to that. Oh, look at the snake in the water.
Where?
Look.
Oh my god. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. What is up, guys? We are currently on our way to our next stop, which is Bitter Springs. We left the park about half an hour ago. We have about an hour and 15 minutes until we get there. Maya is in the driver's seat today.
I'm driving Big Bertha.
Big Bertha. It has been quite a good time so far. Also, when we were in the water, we were like swimming around, and Maya was like, "A snake!" And she was like, "You also said it was right in front of me."
It was.
So I like shit my pants. It was
It was in front of you on the rock.
It was like 30 meters away though.
But I was talking about general direction.
Yeah, but oh my god. Anyways, it was like sunbathing on a rock, but it ended up not being a snake because it had legs. So I think it was like a Komodo dragon or something. I don't know. But that was pretty cool. We're gonna try and see if we can get a powered site tonight, so we don't have to sleep in a sauna again. Hopefully that works out, because Maya was on the verge of a panic attack.
I actually was. Yeah. I was literally trying to sleep and there's sweat dripping down my legs.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in a bit. This is a small town in the Northern Territory called Katherine, and we've been told to be a little bit wary about this area because some of the locals can just be a little bit like boisterous, I guess. That might be the right word. But a lot of them are very friendly too, so. These are so good. We secured the Diet Cokes.
Oh, this is gonna hit. Ready?
ASMR.
Oh,
Good.
it's like 10 times better. Oh,
What does that say?
42.5 degrees.
Oh my god. It is truly like, I think the hottest weather I've ever experienced.
Yeah.
All right, let's get going. Made it to Bitter Springs.
It's cool how this is like, it's just here.
It just
You know?
exists. I'll show you guys. So you get to float down the stream. It is gorgeous. Maya can't float on her back.
Yes, I can.
Okay, try. She sinks. We're on the open roads.
The dogs are in.
The dogs are out. There's nothing like a good old kiwi with its skin on it. I know some of you are gonna be like, oh my god, why are you eating the skin? Well, guess what? There's a lot of antioxidants in there, minerals, vitamins, and you don't have to go through the work of taking the skin off of it.
I used to think it's weird, I will admit. Then I tried it and it literally doesn't taste it. Just tastes well.
Try it out, guys. Try it out. This is our next site. Currently in Mataranka. Guys, we're leaping up and down with joy because we have AC.
So nice. So nice.
We just got it working. We just arrived at our site and we figured it out. This is the little shower, bathroom, laundry. It's pretty luxurious actually. Except we forgot the dryer sheets, so Maya is grabbing them. The sun is going down. We're gonna do a load of laundry and then we're gonna head over to the bar area because we hear a band in the distance, I think. So I think there might be some live music going on, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. What? Hey! God.
This is really cool.
The years have surely gone, like the trace of road station. I won't be back for the road again.
Oh shit. I did not have a good interaction with one of those ones when we first got here. I was like getting stuff out of the van and I accidentally got like pretty close to it and then it started like running towards me and I had to run away.
I've never seen so many peacocks.
I know, they're everywhere.
Also, show them the didgeridoo on stage. There's this guy, we thought it was a whole band, but it's just this one guy. And he's taking a little break right now, but there's a didgeridoo on the stage. So
I don't know if you
really
can
hope he
see.
plays it.
Yeah, I know.
I love the didgeridoo.
Get that Aussie experience. Oh, there's another one. Hiya.
Imagine it just jumped at me.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get another spoon.
I know, I was gonna say, one spoon. Hello? What if I just ate the whole thing while Maya was gone? She'd be so mad. Cheers! Cheers!
Oh my god.
That's
Not too
so
sweet
good.
either. It's like a.
Whoa.
Oh, yum. There's fudge.
I need like a big bite. I need to have all of my mouth coated in this.
That's really good. It's like. It's not too sweet, which
It's
I
almost
really
like moussey.
Yeah. Oh my god. This hits.
How he nothing changes.
Whoa!
Anyway,
Those are all bats.
if he
That is crazy!
When it coming light of day, talk about a chosen place. You wanna set it apart, place look out. They're just a minute now. Standing on
Yeah.
solid rock, standing on sacred ground, giving all.
This is our mom's favorite song.
Right down the line.
Go dance, Maya. The AC is going. Oh my god.
Bed is made. Tonight we're
Time
gonna
for-
have a good sleep.
Time for cuddles.
Okay.
That completes day 4 of our Aussie Outback adventure. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Right? 3, 2. Good.
Oh.
No.
Good night, guys.
Good.
Good. Okay. Good night. Okay, let's just go to bed.
Alright, good night.
Get it.
Why'd you kick? Forget it.
I'm gonna have a snack.